sentences using do, does. To avoid confusion using do, does. Okay? So just shall we start? Excuse. Do, does. Right? So do and does. Do, did, done. Right? If it is this subject, verb and use s or es object. Right? If it is the subject is I do. If it is the subject is you do. If it is the subject is she does. If it is the subject is he does. If it is subject is plural, we do. If it is the subject is another plural, they do. Simply try to understand when we are using does, when we are using do. If it is the subject is third person singular, like she, he, it. Right? It does. Then use the verb do either add s or es, depends upon the using verb. For the do, you just add es after do. If it is the subject is she, he, it, add es to the do. Right? For example, I am going to give you some more sentences like Sita does write. Does Sita write? If it is question form, using does, is subsequently is right. She writes. Okay? She writes. Does Sita write? Yes, Sita does. Sita does. If it is no, Sita doesn't. Understood? You just use the appropriate word do with respect to subject. She writes. Does Sita write? Yes, Sita does. No, Sita doesn't. Okay, if suppose you may use instead of she, Sita. Sita writes. Does Sita writes? Sita obviously a name of a girl or woman. So we use the pronoun she. Okay. If use he writes. He rides. The name of he may be Rama. Rama rides. Rama rides. You just use the question for this particular statement. Does Rama ride? Yes, Rama does. No, Rama doesn't. You simply use the name of a person or else replacement of noun, pronoun like he, she, they, it, I, you, we. Take some more questions like, do you live in Hyderabad? Do you live in Hyderabad? What is the difference between the question does he live in Hyderabad? What is the difference between do, does? You means person who is talking to the first person. If the person he, not you, not me, a third person, singular. So obviously question changes to does. Does he, does she, does it. Suppose you may use does she or he live in India? Right? Does she or he live in India? Yes, she lives in India. That is the complete answer. Need not to write complete answer. Simply you just answer like this. Yes, she does. It means that she lives in India. He does. He lives in India. Need not write as it is. Simply the question says yes or no. Take some more questions to make the questions using do or does. When we are using does, when we are using do, simply if it is the subject is third person singular, right? Third person singular, the verb automatically either add s or es. Suppose do, does. Then if it is the subject is he or she or it. The remaining cases, the do always remains same. I do, she does, you do, he does, we do, they do, it does. If it is the subject is third person singular, just like this. Okay? Take some more questions and to make the